Why is motion tracking today's topic? Because with motion tracking, you can track anything like a car, you can blur a person's face or a vehicle's license plate, or even use it for funny content. Let's dive into Wondershare Filmora to see how super easy it is to use. We can start motion tracking with a vehicle, which means we track the movement of a vehicle or any object to link titles, photos or other elements. Now you can see a video clip on a vehicle on a mountain road. First select the video clip on the timeline that you wanna track, then head over to the video tab and click on AI tools, which is packed with advanced AI features. Just a few steps below you'll find the motion tracking option. To enable motion tracking, click on this button and instantly you'll see the tracking box appear on the player monitor. Since we wanna track the entire video clip, so first place the time indicator at the beginning of the video. Now position the tracking box on the target, in this case the car. For better tracking, it is important to scale the tracking box to cover the car. Motion tracking works best when you select a high contrast area, which helps the software analyze the tracking more accurately. Keep in mind, motion tracking could fail if target point goes out of the frame or gets covered by another object. If you need to zoom in on the player monitor, click on the monitor icon there and adjust zoom level to 100%. This will make it easier to place the tracking box on the car. Once done, change zoom level back to feed. Now that everything is set, click on Start Tracking to let Filmora track the car. Tracking is completed within a few seconds and you see a color bar on the top of the clip indicating the part of the video has been tracked. Let's play the video to check how well it tracked the car. As you can see, it tracks the car perfectly without any issues. Filmora really makes the motion tracking one of the easiest tasks in video editing. If you are interested, I also have a tutorial on Planar tracking in Filmora. The link is in the description. If you wanna hide the target box, that's easy too. Simply select the video, go to motion tracking and click the eye icon to hide or unhide the tracking box. If you're not happy with the tracking and you wanna remove it, just uncheck the motion tracking option and hit yes. By the way, since our tracking is perfect, we'll hit no to keep it as is. Let's talk about the sponsor of today's video, Wondershare Filmora, an easy to use all-in-one video editing software. Whether you are a beginner or an advanced user, Filmora gives you everything you need to bring your videos to life, all in one place. What makes it an all-in-all tool? It's simple, you don't need to buy extra plugins for transitions, effects or soundtracks, everything is included. Filmora's powerful AI features will take your editing game to the next level with tools like AI voice clone, AI music, AI background remover and AI tracking. You can create flawless videos in less time. These features are perfect for travel videos, gaming videos or anything that needs that professional touch. Filmora is available on Windows, Mac and mobile, giving you the flexibility to edit from anywhere. So what are you waiting for? Simply head to the video description, download Wondershare Filmora and get started with your next video editing project today. Linking elements like titles, animations or pictures to follow the target is very simple in Filmora. Click on the drop-down menu to see the options. There are few options here. The first one is import from computer, which allows you to choose an element from your local drive. Add a mosaic is useful if you want to blur someone's face or a car license plate. I'll show you how to use this option later in this video. Another option is link element from timeline, which becomes available once you add something to the timeline. Let's link a callout title animation to the car. To do this, go to the title tab in the top bar and then select title templates. Scroll down to find the callout title category. This category has a variety of callout titles, perfect for any video editing project. Now let's pick the best title to follow the car. Grab the title and drag it onto the timeline. Once it's on the timeline, extend its duration to match the length of the tracked video layer. Next, we'll edit the callout title template to display the text we want. Double click on the title to enter editing mode. Now type or paste the text you want to show, for example real-time tracking. For the bottom part of the text, change it to watch the car accelerate. I think this callout is now ready to be linked with the car. Now let's link this title template to the car. First select the video layer and head over to the motion tracking option. Click on the drop-down menu and you'll see the option to link it to the callout title template. Select it and voila, the title is now linked to the car. This means the title will follow the car's movement. Let's play with the time indicator to see the callout title movement along with the car. It looks good, but some adjustments are necessary, specifically adjusting the title size and position. First, lock the video layer to make it easier to adjust the callout title. Now click and drag the title template in the player monitor to select it. After selecting the template, adjust the scale and position so that it fits perfectly with the car. Once you are satisfied with the adjustments, play the video to see how motion tracking in Filmora works. It's really impressive compared to other editing software like Mocha Pro and After Effects. In this part of the video, we are gonna learn how to mosaic a car's license plate that you wanna blur, which is commonly used in news media for privacy purposes. Start by selecting the video clip, then move over to the motion tracking option to activate it. Next, scale and position the tracking box to cover the license plate. After that, click on Start Tracking and Filmora will complete the tracking process. Once the tracking is done, play the video to observe the results. The motion tracking works perfectly. Wondershare Filmora's advanced features are truly impressive. Now click on the link element option and choose add a mosaic to blur the tracked area. Instantly you notice that the mosaic blurs the almost entire front of the car. Don't worry, you can adjust the mosaic's scale and other settings. First click on mosaic to enable its adjustments points. Then click and drag to adjust its size to cover the area you want, such as the car's license plate. Once that's done, you can adjust other settings like blur amount and opacity. Since the mosaic layer is highlighted, you see these settings in the top right corner. Now adjust the blur amount and opacity to a level that effectively hides the car's number plate. And that's it for today's tutorial on motion tracking in Filmora. Be sure to check out other creative and interesting tutorials on this channel. And take a look at the video description for more details about Wondershare Filmora.